Java 11 in 7 days. My name is Gulam Karani and I'm the instructor for this course. I've been in the IT industry for some 26 years, but I decided to add Java programming to my skills list fairly late in my life and my career, so I could go back to software development. I started out on mainframes using COBOL, KIX, DB2, and building online banking solutions for a large South African bank. After about 13 years, I moved to SAP environment and worked with SAP PI and SAP ABAP. The focus of my development was CRM, and I spent 4 years in this environment. My next move was to IT architecture, where I've worked on both integration architectures and solution architectures for the bank. After a few short years in architecture, I yearned to get back to my true IT passion, and that was development. And I decided to take on a language that I always wanted to learn, and that was Java. Been doing Java for 2 years now, and I believe I have found my true calling. Let's have a look at the course overview. Java was designed to be easy to use and is therefore easy to write and compile, debug, and learn than any other programming language, I believe. This course has been designed to introduce you to Java in such a way as to get you going in writing and experimenting with your own programs as soon as possible. The way this course is presented also hopes to get you motivated to carry on programming in Java because you realize it is easier than you originally thought. This course is the perfect guide for you as it asks for just 7 days. You will learn how to code Java by following unique and intuitive examples. You will understand all the Java keywords, operators, statements, and expressions needed to fully understand how to code efficiently. Right, let's have a look at the roadmap. In section 1, we'll be introducing you to the environmental setup that you need. So this section will show you how to download the development kit and how to install, and also how to download the Eclipse IDE and install that. Section 2, we'll have a look at decision statements and control flow in Java. Section 3, we'll be introducing a little more complex stuff to you in classes and object-oriented techniques in Java. So we'll learn how to design our own data types in classes, and we'll learn about abstract classes and how to call methods, etc. Section 4, we'll be looking at data structures such as arrays, etc. And we'll be learning about array lists, and we'll be learning about some unique features of Java such as auto boxing. Then in section 5, you'll be introduced to input-output. Now, input-output consists of a number of different classes that cover input-output in Java. So we will learn a few of them, and what you'll be learning to do is to read and write text files. Section 6, we'll be learning a little bit about functional programming. So we'll learn about streams and lambdas. So this section introduces you to the idea of functional programming using streams and lambdas. And then last but not least, we'll be looking at exception handling and some debugging. And that should really be exciting for you. Just some of the prerequisites that you need. Most importantly, I think, is you need the willingness to learn. I think when you have an attitude that you want to learn, that's half the battle won. Essentially, you're going to need a computer with at least 8 gigabytes of memory, if possible. You can run Java on any operating system. This course was presented on Windows 10. You'll also be using the Eclipse Photon integrated development environment. And let's have a look at some of the goals that we are going to try and achieve with this course. We want to learn Java while having fun. And let's be honest, education is fun. If it's not fun, it becomes difficult to learn. Gaining knowledge at your own pace, having the videos that you may revisit over and over, and you're also able to experiment with the code provided. And don't forget this, experiment even if you make mistakes and you have to correct them. That goes a long way in providing understanding and gaining confidence.